Hi guys! So I got to go to Dollar Tree today. I ran to two different ones and I'm very excited with everything that I found, so I just thought I would share that with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing that I got is it's another pack of those color your own ornaments, and these were more in like the Thanksgiving area. And they look like little cups of coffee or hot chocolate. You can use it for whatever you want, but I thought they were adorable, so I grabbed them. And then I've been seeing these, and I finally decided to grab one. They only had the ones with the blue hat left, but I might repaint the blue hat because I'm not a huge fan of the blue hat, but it's just this cute little gnome. It's really hard to pick up. You see his little nose right there. But I think he's really cute. Not sure what color I want to do his hat yet, but... And then this I thought was adorable, and it'll go perfect with the pink theme I have in my room. I kind of want to go back and get the cloud now. They have this cute little cloud as well. It's this light pink moon. And again, I know it's not gonna pick up the color very well because of my lighting, but I promise it's a lot prettier than it looks on camera. And then I thought these looked like little cauldrons, these little candles. And this one is wild apple and ashwood. It smells pretty good, but I just thought it was so cute because it looked like a little cauldron. And I liked the deep, like burgundy purple with the white. And they had different colors. So I really liked that. I got this really cute wood sign that says hello. So I'm excited to craft and paint this. I'm not sure where I want to keep it yet, so I have to figure that part out. This is not something that I would normally buy, but I see so many people having them on their phones. So I thought I would get one just in case I decide to use it. It's a phone pocket, so you can like attach this to the back of your phone and you can still put a pop socket on top of this. They didn't have any plain colors, but I thought this one was pretty. Some tie-dye. I also picked up another small 2 ounces of Mod Podge because I go through it so quickly. And then I picked up some of this Rich Art white acrylic paint because I feel like I go through white paint very quickly as well. I also saw this last minute. It's just like a microfiber cloth for cars, but I thought I could do something with it. It is so soft. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet, but while I was in Dollar Tree, I was like, oh, I can use that for something, so I grabbed it. And then the one I went to actually had a bunch of different fabric, and that made me so happy because the one I've been going to, they have some fabric, but it's all like sharks and like stuff you might use to make something for a kid. I needed plain fabric. So I got 2 rolls of black fabric, 1 roll of plain blue, and then yellow and white polka dots. And then this Dollar Tree actually had felt, thank God, because I didn't want to have to go back to Michael's for more felt. I went through my white felt pretty quickly, so I did get a roll of white Crafters Square felt. And then I saw these and I thought they would also come in handy. It's a 4-pack of stretch lace, and they're all different colors. They didn't have any that were like just like white and black and gray or anything, but I don't think it'll matter. These I was so excited to find because I have ideas. I don't want to put my ideas out there yet. My bestie knows, but I'm not going to say exactly what I'm doing, but I found these adorable little beads, and I love that you get so many different sizes. And then I picked up a pack of those Ioni lashes, but I only got like the individual lashes. I didn't get like full-on lashes. I don't wear fake lashes. I mean, from time to time, I'm sure they're fun to play with. It's just not something I have time for. So I just picked up a pack of the individual lashes, but I'm going to be using this for a project. It's not for me to use. I also grabbed another pack of these kind of paintbrushes just to have extra on hand, because every time I decide to start painting, Alden always wants to paint with me, so I want to make sure I have a ton of brushes on hand. And then I got this metal sign that says relax. And then these three things I'm thinking of using for my planner slash journaling. So I picked up these chalkboard stickers. And then just this other pack of stickers that are good for planning or journaling. And then I got another pack of the Crafter's Square Deco Tape. I loved the sparkly silver in this one. The Dollar Tree I went to didn't have a big selection, so I got one baby. Usually, you know, I would grab several, but I got what I could, so I got a baby. And then I got this initial ornament for our Christmas tree, or I can put it somewhere else if I want to. But, you know, we're not technically married yet or anything, but I still always go with what my last initial will be. These I felt so silly buying, but my bestie gets this all the time for her projects, and she says it works really well, so I thought I would go ahead and grab a couple myself just to try to work with. So I picked up some of this fake hair. Obviously this one is orange, and then I also picked up some black. We'll see how I'm able to work with it. We'll see if it works for me. I hope it does, but you know, time will tell. This I saw as I was just kind of making my way towards the makeup and skincare to see if they had anything good, and I thought it would come in handy because I don't have one, but it's just a paint scraper. But I know a lot of people take like the little wooden signs from Dollar Tree and they use the scrapers to scrape off like the sparkly writing and stuff they don't want on the sign so they can repaint it themselves. And I just thought in case I decided to do that, I needed one of these. My fiance was like, be careful with that. I'm like, I'm not gonna stab somebody with a paint scraper. And then this was one of the very few cute ribbon that I saw at this Dollar Tree, but it's just 9 feet of burlap ribbon, and it's got black chevron marks all around it. And in the skincare aisle, I really didn't see much that caught my eye, but I did see this, and it's like the men's version of skincare, but I don't care. I'm gonna try it. It's the Nobleman Peel Off Black Mask with a mask applicator, 30-minute facial therapy. I did not realize it was a 30-minute one, but it is infused with charcoal. Let's see. It is a powerful peel-off black mask that is gel-based, that reaches deep within the pores to dissolve and dislodge the buildup of impurities. So, I mean, if my fiance were to want to try this, sure, totally cool, but I did get it for myself. And then I saw these, and the fact that it said cooling on them is the reason I bought them. They're also by the Nobleman. They're the cooling face and body cleansing wipes with aloe and eucalyptus. And you guys know I'm always hot, so if I could like use one of these on my face if I'm just feeling really hot, heated, whatever, maybe they will help me. We will see. The only makeup item that I got is something that I feel like a lot of people are finding, and I happened to see it, so I grabbed it, but it's one of the e.l.f. jelly highlighters, and I guess the shade is Dew. I feel like this would be pretty as an eyeshadow as well. Mine looks really, is it supposed to be really liquidy? I'm gonna check because, yeah, it's like a very liquidy product. I thought it would be more of a solid. Let's see what it looks like on the back of my hand. Oh wow, that feels so weird. It's almost like you're dipping your hand in slime that your kids would play with. It's very pretty though. You could totally, well, I don't know if it's like safe for your eyes, but I mean, I would totally try like a little bit of this at a time on my eye for like a little wash of color. But they didn't have anything. I did see like a couple of Flower Beauty products and e.l.f. products, but they were the complete wrong shade. So there would have been no point to me picking them up whatsoever. And then I also got this little 8-ounce of Crafter's Square air dry clay. Since I am starting to use clay in some of my projects, I actually have a video ready to go that I need to upload. It's of my latest horror baby doll. So when I make that public, you'll see why I'm into clay now. I also picked 2 packs of these up because Alden loves these. We all love these, but I got a pack for my fiance and for Alden, but my fiance didn't take his yet, so they're just the Lifesaver gummies, the wild berries. They are our favorite flavors. And then I picked up a pack of these for Alden because he loves those chips. I like them too, but if I got myself a pack, they would just end up being Alden's anyway. And then, of course, I had to get a cute notebook. I thought this was adorable, so I grabbed that. And then I did find 2 books that just kind of caught my eye. This one is called Zero Balm. Balm. I thought the cover was really cute. In the back of it, I'm not going to read it right now, but it sounds like it's a pretty good book, and I've had some luck with Dollar Tree books. So, and then this one also caught my eye. It is called The Witch's Tree, an Agatha Raisin mystery. You guys know I love me some mystery. I love anything that has to do with it. It says the basis for the hit TV series Agatha Raisin. Have you guys ever heard of that? Because I haven't. But it says New York Times best-selling author. So hopefully this is good. I'm excited about it. And then I also grabbed these Crafter's Square stickers because I thought they were really cute. I can use them for planning again, or journaling, or any kind of project. And then the last couple of things that I grabbed, just because anytime I see this kind of stuff, I grab it since I am teaching Alden from home. I found these addition and subtraction books. They do say first and second grade workbooks, and we're doing kindergarten right now, but it doesn't hurt to have them. So I just got subtraction and addition. And, you know, we have been doing easy addition just to get him, you know, get his mind working and all of that. So we might do a little bit of this at some point, or I might just save it for the next year. I don't know yet. We'll see. But that's everything that I grabbed. I feel like I got a lot of stuff that I can use for the projects that I have in mind, and also just things that like I kind of want to like revamp. Like, you know, this, I like the color of it already. Again, it's hard to tell, but it is a pretty light pink. But this cute little gnome guy is going to get a makeover. No offense to you, but not a fan of the blue. And he has little Christmas trees on his hat. And I don't know who thought blue would be a cute color for Christmas. Like, it should have just been green or blue or even silver and gold. But I don't like the blue. So I'll be changing his little blue hat. And then I actually like the colors of this, but if I wanted to paint it like all black to actually look like a cauldron, I could. But I like the contrast between the deep purple and the white. And I'm not a candle burner. Like, candles freak me out. I had an experience as a child that has made me very afraid of having candles around. But if I do burn this and use it up, this would be super cute to hold little trinkets or whatever. Or if I just decide I'm way too scared to ever use it as a candle, I can just somehow dig the candle out of here and just use this again as a little trinket thing. So yeah, that's everything that I grabbed. I was really excited to show you guys. I thought I'd be filming this earlier, but I fell asleep waiting for Alden to fall asleep. And then I woke up and looked at my phone and it was 1 a.m. and I was like, damn. So, story of my life. But one of these days soon, I want to do a video filling out my new planner for next year with you guys, because I know back in the past I've seen people say, oh, do planner videos, and so I really want to be able to sit down and do that, and that's part of the reason I got like super cute stuff like this, and you know, like all these planner type stickers and everything, because I plan to deck it out and make it really cute, because it always makes it more fun to actually want to use the planners. So I'm going to go put everything away, and then I guess I'm gonna get ready to go back to bed. Like, it's already so late, I don't really want to start on a craft or anything, and I don't know what else to say. I don't want to sit up until 5 in the morning and then crash and then wake up 2 hours later. So I'm going to put everything away and go to bed, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. That's all I got for you guys. I need to try to go back to bed because it's late. And I have to get up early tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday, so we have a school day tomorrow. But Saturday, not that I get to like sleep in, but I don't have to set an alarm. So I'm very excited for Saturday. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little haul, and I will talk to you guys again really soon. Bye!